So this little room we got right here, we used to have this as a storage room for various stuff, where we put our toiletries, tools, and some other stuff that we don't normally use or usually use. So this is where we put them before we converted this into a pantry. So if you can see, guys, the room is not really that big, but it's big enough for us to store the items and the food that we don't normally use or consume on a daily basis. Otherwise, those items that we do need every day or almost every day, they would go in the kitchen cabinets where we can just easily grab them and we have an easy access to. So basically, some or most of the items or the food that are here are just extras or surplus that we have in store. So now we start by emptying the room, taking out all the items that we got in here. So now as you can see, the shelves look dirty, so it needs cleaning, and that's what we are going to do next. Right, so we just went on wiping it with a sponge with a warm soapy water and just scrub it and remove all this dirt stuck in there. Then once done, we just wipe it with a towel and just let it dry. Now what I've got here is a wallpaper, so I've decided that I'm just gonna use this one instead of repainting the room. So this one is a waterproof, so there is no problem if you are going to wipe it with a damp cloth. It doesn't damage it, it's okay. So what I did is just take the measurements of the shelves there and then take a measurement of the wallpaper that I need, and then after that I just stick them there, and then here is the result. So as you can see, the color of the wallpaper just blends or matches with the color of the paint in there. So it really looks pretty and I'm so happy with the result. Yeah, so as I have said, it's waterproof, so there is no problem if you are going to spill some water in there or other liquids that you got, or if you want to wipe it with a damp cloth. Then on the floor, we just lay the floor mat just to cover the stain that we can no longer take or remove, just to make it look better. And so now we are going to start arranging our stuff in here, and we are going to start with the canned goods. And I have here a spice rack ladder type, which is made of stainless steel, which is pretty and it's really sturdy, and it has 3 layers, and that's what we are going to use again to arrange our canned goods. So I got this thing off Shopee for 230 pesos, and I think it's really worth it, and I highly recommend that you get this one as well. And I'm going to put the link in the description box below of the shop where I got this from. So now that's our canned goods right there, all organized. Now on to the other stuff. I got here some sauces which I'm going to organize in a clear storage bin, which is made of acrylic and it's really durable, and I got it from Laukapan. And I like them because it's clear, so I can just see what's inside. So it's a lot easier, then there is no need for me to fiddle with things when I come looking for the stuff that I need. So if you like and interested to get this kind of storage bin, then just check out the description box down below, because I'm going to put the link of the shop where I got this from. So now in here, I'm using a different type of container. It's not made of acrylic, it's made of plastic, but it's nice because it's still see-through. I'm able to see what's inside, and it's got a handle in it, and it's also got a lid. So in here is a storage bin. It's large, and I got this from the same shop where I get the clear storage bins, and I like them because they're too durable and they're so pretty and they're neat. So this rice container, I got this from SM department store, and I think it can contain about 12 to 15 kilograms of rice. So because the one that we got, the old one, is a big one, it can hold up to 25 kilograms, but that's broken now, so I just have this one. I got two of those. One contains the corn grits and one is the rice. Then I have this cool box, and inside the cool box are cooking oil. Then I have this under shelf storage basket rack, which I bought off Shopee again for 100 pesos each, and I quite like them because it helps you save space or makes you utilize the space. So as you can see guys, these containers are also stackable, which is really good. So in here I put the spices, spice mix, and other seasonings that are in sachets. So I think it's a good way of organizing them on this rack that has got 3 tiers. Then I just made use of this storage rack, which I pulled up from the kitchen, and I think it's a good way of organizing all the stuff that are in jars and bottles. So yes. So this one actually, if you are wondering, I'm reserving this spot for the spices that I'm going to organize in jars.